Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make forum channel Discord. To make a forum channel in Discord, we have some steps for you. First, open Discord. Launch the Discord app on your Windows PC or just go to Discord web. Choose a server. Click on the server name where you want to create the forum channel. Open server settings. Now click on the server name at the top, then choose server settings, then on role section, ensure you have the necessary permissions, administrator, or manage channels. Now, let's go back. Click the plus icon in the channel section. Find the text channel section in the left panel and click the plus button. Select forum as the channel type. A window will appear asking for the channel type. Just choose forum. Name your forum channel. Enter a name for your forum. For example, community discussions. Then hit create channel. Set channel permissions. On permissions, click on everyone to control who can create and reply to posts, and then hit save. Add a topic or description. Now click create post, then enter a brief channel description to explain its purpose, then save changes. Choose default tags. Now click create tag. Tags help categorize posts, create relevant tags, for example, bug reports, or suggestions. Hit save, or just toggle require people to select tags. Click create channel. Once all settings are configured, click save changes to finalize, then go back. Post a welcome message. Start with a pinned welcome post by clicking new post to guide users on how to use the forum. Manage and moderate your forum. Regularly monitor posts, adjust permissions, and update tags as needed. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.